Hi, I'm Paula Bernier. I'm here in the TMC newsroom. We're at IT Expo today in Los Angeles, and I'm here with Tony Petcou. He's the Partner Program Manager with Nuspire Networks. Welcome.
Welcome. Thank you for having me.
Well, can you tell me a little bit about your company? I understand you're a managed network security provider, but what exactly do you sell and to whom?
Yeah, absolutely. Nuspire has been in the managed security space now for just a little over 10 years, and we focus on Fortune 500 companies. And a key business model that we have is that we work with businesses that have a head-end headquarters and then hundreds or thousands of locations even globally. So we help manage the data at those individual locations. Being out of Detroit, Michigan, we work with a lot of automotive OEM companies. We've made a lot of breakthroughs in healthcare, retail, and it all goes back to regulatory compliance. But Nuspire has a security operations center that's really managing data at each of those individual locations, giving that customer the peace of mind and the security that they need.
Well, speaking of regulatory compliance, we've seen a lot of recent regulations fairly recently, like HIPAA and Sarbanes-Oxley go into effect. How do those impact businesses and what they need to do?
Oh, they're huge these days. Everybody has internet, everybody has a lot of bandwidth, but now how they use it, how they secure it. PCI is a big offering of ours. Nuspire is a PCI QSA, which means we go out and we actually evaluate networks to make sure they are in compliance with these high regulations. Gramm-Leach-Bliley, HIPAA, Sarbanes-Oxley, Safeguard, Privacy Act, the list goes on. But Nuspire is providing that peace of mind where we're actually monitoring that syslog traffic from those devices, and we're giving a compliance report so that they have that peace of mind that they are in compliance with whatever that regulation may be in their industry.
Tell us a little bit about your Security Operations Center.
And that's really the biggest piece. Many people can go out and buy a device, license it, but what that device is recording and monitoring actually comes back to our Security Operations Center, where we are running multiple software. They call it a SIM tool, Security Information and Event Management. And our level 1, 2, 3 engineers are monitoring that data so they can almost forecast trouble before it happens. So we've moved past just the simple intrusion detection, content filtering, because that's what the devices do, but we take that data and put it into a readable format so we can tell if something happened or if something is about to happen.
Okay, and tell us a bit about your channel program.
The channel program's been big for us because, as I mentioned, Nuspire deals with that Fortune 500 enterprise company. We have since taken that business model and it's resellable now through the partner program. So we have a lot of ILECs, CLECs, ISPs, local integrators that are taking on managed services, but with that emphasis on security and compliance, because every business that collects sensitive data, has credit cards that are network-based, there is a need for this type of service. So Nuspire's, since we deal with so many distributed companies, our pricing model is so aggressive that it's working very well for the partner and making a lot of margin for a lot of those integrators.
Okay, well great. Thank you for talking with us today.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
And again, I'm Paula Bernier in the TMC newsroom signing off.